Hello, let's see how to manage returns using Putaway received returns. When a return arrives at the warehouse physically and you wish to add the item back to the inventory, you may change the tracking status of the order to returned bag, as shown in the video. The shipment status will now change to return expected. You may now go to inbound icon and choose Putaway. Click on Create Putaway. Select Putaway type as Putaway received return. Now you may add any of the following details: tracking number, shipping package code, sale order number, or the manifest code. Once the detail is added, you may add the items to Putaway. Now click on Create Putaway List, assign the designated shelf for your item, and complete the Putaway. Once the Putaway is completed, the inventory will be added back. Thank you.